Next example, Ash score 40 marks in a test. Okay, getting 3 marks for each right answer. Okay, and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. It means he getting 40 marks. Okay, 3 marks for correct answer. Correct answer 3 marks. Okay, and wrong answer he losing 1 mark. So losing. So here we taking negative sign. Okay, in same way, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Ash would have scored for 50 marks. Okay, he scored 50 marks if 4 marks for correct answer questions and each wrong answer deducted 2 marks. So losing, we take negative sign. Is it clear? Let number of H right answer questions. Okay, let number of H right answers X and that of wrong answers Y. Okay, number of correct answers questions X, wrong answer questions Y. Okay, so first he getting 40 marks when correct answer questions, each questions correct answer they give 3 marks. Total correct answer questions X. Okay, total marks X 3x. Okay, 3x. Wrong answer questions Y. Losing each question 1 mark. So total losing marks minus 1 into Y, minus Y. Total marks he got 40 marks. Okay, in same way, if he got 50 marks, okay, 50 marks when correct answer questions X, number of questions X, per question marks 4. Okay, total marks X into 4, 4x. Wrong answers per question he losing minus 2. Total wrong answer questions Y. So minus 2y. Total losing marks minus 2y, which is equal to you get 50 marks. Okay, these are equation 1, equation 2. Solve these two equations using any algebraic method. Okay, you have to find X and Y values. Here X is nothing but total number of right answer questions and Y is wrong answer questions, number of wrong answer questions. Okay, here we have to find how many questions were there in the test. Okay, how many questions, total number of questions, it means correct answer and wrong answer questions. Okay, we have to find X plus Y, total number of questions in the test, total number of questions. Okay, all of you should solve these two equations using any algebraic method. Okay, and find X plus Y, total number of questions, it means total number of questions. Okay, next example, places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. Okay, one car starts from A and another from B at the same time. Okay, here time is same. if the cars traveling in the same direction at different speeds, then meet in 5 hours. Okay, it means here given distance between A and B. A and B distance is 100 kilometers. Okay, and one car starts from A. Okay, and another car starts from B. Okay, and same time is same, and they traveling in same direction. Okay, they traveling in same direction. Okay, next, if car traveling in the same direction at different speeds, let A speed is x kilometer per hour and B speed let y kilometers per hour. Okay, we know speed equal to distance by time. Okay, here distance equal to speed into time. Okay, time comes to this side into speed into time. S into T equal to D. Okay, we know this formula. Here given, if cars are traveling in same direction, they are traveling in same direction. Same direction, we have disadvantage. In this case, we take negative sign. Okay, if in case they are traveling in opposite direction, here we have advantage. Okay, so in this case we take positive sign. Okay, here first case they traveling in same direction. Okay, it means here given 100 kilometers. Okay, 100 kilometers. Distance covered by A is, time is 5 hours. They will meet 5 hours. Okay, 5 into speed. Okay, it means distance covered A in 5 hours. 5x, same direction, so negative sign. Distance covered B in 5 hours, 5y, which is equal to 100 kilometers. Okay, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. Okay, distance covered A in 1 hour, x. They travel towards each other, opposite direction, we take positive sign, place distance covered B in 1 hour. B speed is y into 1. Okay, equal to distance, x plus y equal to 100. Okay, here two linear equations. Try to solve these two equations. We get x and y values. Okay, what are the speeds of the two cars? Here x is nothing but speed of A, speed of car A, y is speed of car B. Okay, try to solve these two equations.